USA 4, Jamaica 5, Great Britain 7. Rarely has there been a greater sense of anticipation ahead of any race in history. Great Britain going well in 7. Let's watch the changeovers. Britain now up on the outside, past the Chinese. Gatlin running well. And the Jamaicans coming through now. It's a brilliant bend by Great Britain. The Jamaicans have some work to do. So do the Americans. Britain, Jamaica, and the United States. And look at this. From Mitchell Blake, it's Great Britain. Great Britain, yes! I can't believe it. Great Britain have taken the gold medal. Usain Bolt is limping down the track. It hasn't ended as he would have liked. We'll salute him in a moment, but let's celebrate the Great British Quartet. It's a new British record, and they have stormed to gold on a night that we will never ever forget. No British team have ever won this title. Silver twice, this time it's gold. Ahead of the United States in silver, Japan got the bronze as Bolt is consoled on the track. He knew it was time to retire, but who knew that Great Britain would come out on top as we say goodbye to the greatest of all time. These 4 young men have etched themselves into global history. CJ Uja, Adam Jamili, Danny Talbot, Nathaniel Mitchell-Blake have each produced the race of their lives. It is gold for Great Britain at the climax of the penultimate night.
Absolutely superb. Those boys run the race of their lives. Perfect takeovers every single time. They were running blind because the big teams were behind them, but they came storming through. Tragedy for Bolt. He tried to maybe go a little bit too hard early on, and his legs just wasn't there this time. They can't believe it. They really can't believe it, but they're going to have to believe it because they are now the world champions. Well, they look so good in qualifying. We thought there was a possibility, a slight possibility they could do it, but they're up against the might of Jamaica, the might of the United States. But in the end, they came and they actually conquered. Absolutely wonderful.
Well, it's reminiscent of the scenes of celebration in Athens in 2004 when Mark Lewis Francis denied Maurice Green by 100th of a second. Gatlin does get another global medal, but this time it's silver to go alongside his gold. That's a story for another moment. A 15-year international career comes to an end. Not in the manner in which he was expecting. This man set out to travel.